On the 31st of October 2023, leaders and members of the National People's Party (NPP) gathered at the party headquarters in Shillong for the official handover of the state presidency from Dr. R Kharlukhi to Meghalaya's Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong. Additionally, Dr. D Lapang, the party's advisor, has been appointed as the chairman of the NPP's North-East Coordination Committee. During a press briefing today, Prestone Tynsong mentioned that the party plans to reorganize committees at the state, district and block levels to better engage with the public in preparation for the upcoming MDC and Lok Sabha MP elections scheduled for early next year. The names of the candidates for the MP elections will be unveiled in November 2023.
As I've already mentioned in the meeting briefly, my priority now as the president I'll reconstitute the committee of the state level unit, and thereafter we will also go down to the district level and up to the block level, because we have to prepare ourselves for the coming election, which is to be held early next year. And not only for the election, but we really wanted to work hard, reaching out ourselves to each and every household in the entire state. So this is, in fact, this is the priority where I would like to see that it has happened. Yes, the work is on the ground. We already planned it out. We work, but of course, little transitional period has taken place because I just taken over today from our honorable outgoing president, Dr. Kharlukhi. But I'm telling you, that is not a hurdle, that is not the issue. But now we are one. Whatever team done by Dr. Kharlukhi and whatever agendas put in place to all the party leaders throughout the state, I will also continue to do that. Not necessarily that by George, we approach by George. In fact, everybody, they approach us. Our door is open. They do approach us. And now we are sitting down and then we walk out, and then even the detailed information is being collected throughout the state, be it from Tura constituency or be it from Shillong constituency.
Will it be done in the month of November, sir?
Yes, we will do it by the month of November.
The announcement of candidate will be by November.
By the month of November.